You show up at work every day, and the way you work impacts other people, and how they work actually impacts you. It impacts your productivity, the results you produce, and how much you enjoy working where you work. What if one session could improve all that? What if by everyone getting together and understanding how they naturally approach work could improve everybody's world? What if by all of us being open and sharing a little bit about ourselves and how we prefer things to be done, our results could be transformed? Well, that's what your impact identifier is all about. It helps you understand your natural approach to work, because that natural approach to work colors everything you do, and your approach impacts people you work with. Aren't you interested to find out your natural approach? Complete your impact identifier. Enter your full email so we can send the results to you. And enter your full name, the name that you want to be seen on the tent card when you show up in the program. Then start talking to other people. Ask them what natural approach they are. Start the conversation now. The more we walk into the program together, understanding what we're talking about, the better the actual program is. And remember, in a Learn To program, it's not about us telling you anything. You have all the answers. Your team has all the answers. We ask you questions and you explore together and organically create the insights and the actions that you as a team want to take. So complete your impact identifier and start the conversation.